Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Roblox chat not working. First, open Roblox app and log into your account. Tap on the three dots, scroll down to settings, tap on privacy. Go to chat settings. Make sure your chat settings are set to everyone or friend. If it's set to no one, you won't be able to use the chat features. Next, close the Roblox app and restart it. This helps you refresh your settings. If the chat still isn't working, double check your internet connection. Also make sure you have the latest version of the Roblox app installed from the App Store. Thanks for watching.